If you choose the wrong Part D plan, it could cost you hundreds or even thousands a year. So let's make sure you avoid the most common mistakes and walk away feeling confident. Let's get into it. This is Cameron Carter with Altruistic Insurance Advisors, helping you navigate Medicare with confidence. And guys, stick around because towards the middle of this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a few tips on how to save money and headaches when it comes to choosing your Part D plan. First things first, what is Medicare Part D? Part D is standalone drug coverage offered by private insurers such as UnitedHealthcare, Aetna, Cigna, with plans that are approved by Medicare. It helps you cover the cost of your prescription medications, both generic and brand name. Now there's two ways that you can get a Part D plan. One, you can purchase a standalone prescription drug plan. These are singular plans that cover the costs of prescriptions. Well, help you cover some of the costs that come with prescriptions. Two, the second way you can get a Part D plan is, in most Medicare Advantage plans, they come with Part D already included into the plan. So those are the two ways that you're going to be able to get a Part D prescription drug plan. But not all Part D plans are created equal, so choosing the wrong one could hurt your pockets. Let's quickly go over the three biggest mistakes that I personally see people make when choosing a prescription drug plan. One, they only look at the monthly premiums. They forget to check co-pays and deductibles. Two, they don't use Medicare.gov Plan Finder to compare specific costs between Part D plans for their prescriptions. Three, they assume last year's plan is still going to be the best plan even though these plans change year by year. Let's make sure you don't make those same mistakes. Now here's a simple step-by-step on how you're going to choose the best Part D plan. Step one, make a list of all your medication, including frequency and dosage. Step two, go to Medicare.gov and use their Plan Finder tool. Step three, enter your zip code, then plug in all your medications, and then plug in any pharmacies that you would like to go to. Step four, compare the Part D plan options based on the annual total cost of everything in that plan, not just what the monthly premium is. Now, those are four crucial steps to making sure that you choose the correct Part D plan. Now, if this worries you and this is stressing you out and has you scratching the back of your head, don't worry because my team's here for you and this is exactly the things that we deal with every day. Now guys, I told you there's going to be a few bonus tips toward the middle of this video that's going to help you save money and headaches. The first tip is generic drugs typically have the lowest co-payments. So ask your providers, is there a way that I can switch prescriptions to a generic if possible? Tip number two, some pharmacies offer preferred prices for certain plans. So don't assume all pharmacies are going to be the same cost. Tip number three, if you qualify for extra help, aka low income subsidy, you could be saving thousands in the year on your Medicare Part D prescription drug plan. And just get with us because we'll help you check for that eligibility as well. Guys, these little details can make a huge difference. Guys, if you'd like a free personalized review of your prescription drug plan, my team is here to help. No pressure, no obligations. Just click the link below to schedule an appointment at our website or simply just call us at 405-402-7727. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and you learned something, please leave a comment in the comment section. Like and subscribe this video. Share it with all your friends and family. Guys, I can't wait to see you guys on the next video, and I hope you guys have a blessed week. See you guys soon.